Alright people, today I'm back up at Caleb's. Gonna give the E28 a nice wash and wax. Paint right now is a little foggy, as you can probably tell. So we're just gonna wash it, wax it.
I think we'll just do an area.
See how she comes out.
Yeah, so we just waxed it. Yeah, we just waxed it.
Nah, we just sprayed it down. Car looks really good when it's wet. This paint is in excellent condition under all this fog.
Uncle fucking, back in the day, he went to go buy, they didn't have Craigslist, so they would just sell newspaper ads or whatever. And somebody posted a picture of this like Fox body or whatever. And it was primer gray, but it was super glossy. It looked fucking wet like that. And they fucking show up, and this thing is literally just painted with fucking primer. And all I did was fucking take the pictures of the car when it was wet. So
might honestly only end up doing the hood today on a little bit of a time crunch, but it'll be a good test of how this comes out. Alright everyone, we got the whole hood done here. Not too bad. That's what the paint looked like before. Here's after. I don't know how good it's getting picked up on the camera, but it's pretty shiny. It's still cloudy. Yeah, we're no detailing experts, but only doing the hood today because doing the whole car would take forever and we're just too lazy. Yeah, that's going to be it for today. Thanks for watching, and definitely stay tuned for the next one.